Guys, you guys got warped head on a Polaris 500 engine? Let me show you how to fix that without taking it to a machine shop. It's old school method. I have two different types of sandpaper, and there's two different ways to do this. They say you could put it on a glass sheet. I use tile, something really flat, and I start with 320, and then I go to a 600 grit wet dry sandpaper. So spray a little cutting oil on here. That, put it on there. Keep firm pressure on it. Just keep going back and forth. Yeah. Keep wiping it off. Put a straight edge across there. And after you're done with the 320, go to the 600 and finish fine sand all the scratches out of it until it looks like this. Now if I take a straight edge, go across, I do not see any light in between there. Go crisscross this way. Looks beautiful. Now it's ready to go on the engine. Now, you bought yourself a cheap aftermarket head gasket kit. It's gonna flex like this. Look at that. That's crap. Look at that. Woohoo! My mind, that's garbage. Look at that. Throw that away. Get yourself a nice, thick Polaris gasket. Putting pressure on it, it's not flexing. And you will have no problems. As long as you put it on the right direction. There you have it, folks. My little quick tip of the day. How to sand down a head and buy the right gasket. And I'm going to bolt this bad boy up, get her all together. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't. I've got plenty of Polaris repairs. And like always, till next time.